Question number 1. Materials exhibiting time-bound behavior are known as answer viscoelastic property. Question number 2. Ductility of a material can be defined as answer ability to undergo large permanent deformation in tension. Question number 3. Which of the following is a point imperfection? Answer all of these: interstitial, vacancy and Frenkel. Question number 4. How many atoms are there in a HCP crystal structure? Answer 6. Question number 5. This material is used for producing laser. Answer ruby. Question number 6. Addition of nickel to steel helps in improving answer fatigue resistance. Question number 7. Hardness of steel depends on answer amount of cementite it contains. Question number 8. Dash is added to raise the yield point of low carbon steel. Answer manganese. Question number 9. The process of formation of new grains on heating metals is called answer recrystallization. Question number 10, last one. The machinability of steel can be improved by alloying the steel with answer sulfur combined with manganese sulfide. Thanks for watching. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க.